you remember when tie-dye was like an activity?
I didn't make that shirt. My mom bought it for me at Sea Ranch, and if you if you look really closely, you can see Sea Ranch in the shirt.
Cut to 10 years later.
What?
Like 10 years ago, we were in first grade, and now we cut to...
What does cut to mean to you?
Just like, little did he know.
You know, nothing you say ever really makes any sense.
Like, how we're not virgins anymore. We deflowered each other. We have each other's flowers. Sorry. I think I'm just happy.
You didn't take my virginity.
What?
I lost my virginity to Cassie Duvall.
Excuse me? You said you were a virgin.
No, I did not. Because I'm not. And I haven't lied in like 2 years.
Jesus.
Yeah, I mean, I've probably slept with like 6 people.
You don't even know if it was 6 people.
I don't keep a list.
Why didn't you keep a list? We're in high school.
Why are you so moody?
You said you were a virgin.
I think you might have made an assumption.
I just had a whole experience that was wrong.
You're deciding to be upset.
No, I am upset.
Because you're deciding to be. Don't be mad at me about this. Please. It's stupid. You don't have to be mad at me for something that I can't control.
I just wanted it to be special.
Why? I mean, you're gonna have so much unspecial sex in your life?
I was on top. Who the fuck is on top their first time?
Do you know how many civilians have been killed since the start of the invasion in Iraq?
Shut up! Different things can be sad. It's not all war. Are we still going to prom together?
Sure.